Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's subject fluid mechanics and the topic is Pascal principle or you can say Pascal's law. I am Deepak Bandewar, Assistant Professor Civil Engineering Department, SIRTS Bhopal. Let's start Pascal law or Pascal principle. It states that pressure at any point in a body of fluid is the same in every direction. Same in every direction. Even direction is x, y, z. You choose anyone of them. Exerting equal force on equal area. This work for gases and liquid. The pressure acting on all the direction is equal to each other. If we take a fluid element in a water body, if side A, B, E, F pressure acting at side Px, that is x direction. If side EFDC pressure acting on it Py in y direction. If and side ABCD pressure acting on z direction, that is Pz, is all are equal to each other. That means Px is equal to Py is equal to Pz, or you can say Px. All the pressure equal to each other, in particular x, y, and z direction. One more definition is here. A pressure change at any point in confined incompressible fluid is transmitted throughout the fluid such that the same change occur everywhere. In a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the wall of the container. The principle was first announced by French scientist Blaise Pascal. Here we have example of Pascal law. If we have a container of site A and B, and the area of site A is A1 and the area of site B is, that is 10 times of A1, that is A2. Area A2 is equal to 10 times of area A1. Okay, now if we applied force F1 at site A, so force is equal to pressure into area, pressure that is P1 into area, that is A1. Now site A is pressure is what? P1 is equal to force upon area 1. Now according to Pascal law, P1 is equal to P2. P1 is must be equal to P2 according to Pascal law. Now side B is equal to P2 is equal to F2 upon A2. P2 is equal to F2 upon A2. Here F2 is equal to what? P2 into A2. That is 10 times of F1. It's proved that the Pascal law or Pascal principle. We have more example of Pascal law. Hydraulic lift, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brakes, hydraulic pump, and aircraft hydraulic system. Now, first of all, I explain to hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift is versatile in its utility. It has hydraulic apparatus which is used to lift heavy object. In the case of hydraulic lift, force applied creates lift and work. You can see side A and B as we discussed before. It is based on the principle of equal pressure transmitted throughout the fluid. It is based on the principle of equal pressure transmitted throughout the fluid. A narrow cylinder A is connected to wider cylinder B fitted with airtight piston filled with an incompressible fluid. If we talk about incompressible fluid, as we can discuss the first compressible fluid and incompressible fluid. पहले की क्लास में ये हो चुका था. Okay. Now hydraulic jack. Hydraulic jack, which comes under the category of closed container, follow the principle of Pascal law. They are used to lift heavy bodies like that. The hydraulic jack consists of two cylinders, a large and a small one. Same principle are there, Pascal law. Hydraulic brake, a number of components from the braking system in car. When force is applied on the brake pedal, there is a movement of the piston and rod in the master cylinder. A liquid which is known as brake or hydraulic fluid. Thank you so much.